How are we doing, folks? James Barr here, Junior Sales Executive over at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown, and today I have this stunning 161 BMW 4 Series 420D M Sport Gran Coupe. Let's take a quick look around it. Up front you have the BMW LED headlights, the iconic BMW kidney grille with the silver trim, the M Sport front bumper, front parking sensors. You also have the M Sport aerodynamic body kit on her. The BMW spoked alloys on run flat tyres with the M Sport badging. The black trim surrounding the windows. The Gran Coupe badging alongside. The shark fin aerial up top. If you come around to the back, you have the BMW 420D badging. The rear LED tail lights. The twin exhausts. The automatic trunk, just a simple click the key fob and she'll pop open. You also have rear parking sensors to give you that complete 360-degree parking view. And to close the boot, simple tap the button up there. Now folks, let's take a quick look at the interior. Now folks, that we're inside, you can see the BMW multifunctional M Sport steering wheel, the BMW teleservice on board, the iDrive system that allows you to control the teleservice. Some of the features on the teleservice are the media, radio, enhanced Bluetooth connection, connective drive, sat-nav navigation, and many others. The interior comes in an ivory white Dakota leather with a black and platinum trim finish. You have fully electric windows, automatic headlights, rain sensing wipers, heated seats, ideal for those crisp, cold Irish mornings, air conditioning, the BMW SOS service system, the keyless push button start ignition, the DAB tuner, the manual handbrake. This car also comes with 360-degree parking sensors. Also on board is fitted a sports mode, sports plus mode, comfort mode, and Eco Pro mode. Now folks, that was just a quick look around this 161 BMW 4 Series 420D M Sport Gran Coupe. If you have any questions about this car or any other car in our fleet, please do not hesitate to contact us at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown. Thank you very much for watching. My name is James Power and I hope you enjoyed this video.